Spit Shine Ultra High Speed Clean and Burnish. Clean, repair, protect, and enhance a floor's finish. The unique blend of penetrants, moisturizers, and polishing agents create a formula that cleans and polishes in one labor-saving step. The added polymers produce an additional wear layer for added protection and wearability, plus increased scuff and scratch resistance. The end result is a hardened finish with a greatly enhanced wet look gloss, increasing user appeal and functionality. Make Spit Shine a regular component of your facility's restorative maintenance schedule.